Hello everybody, my name is Kevin Gutierrez and this is just a simple channel introduction, I guess we could call it that. So who am I? Well, like I said, my name is Kevin Gutierrez. I went to school at SCTCC, St. Cloud Technical and Community College, and I got a computer programming Associates of Applied Science. We covered C#, Java, PHP, JavaScript, and some other programming languages. We also covered database. So we did SQL Server, and we did some Mongo database. My employment, so I'm a computer programmer at RCC, Rural Computer Consultants, and we just develop field distribution software there. It's pretty nice. We work with, well, we have some good technologies, and they get the job done very well. SCTCC, I am currently an adjunct instructor at SCTCC. I teach C# Programming 2. It's at CMSC 2240 currently. And I also teach mobile development. That is CMSC 2204. And I've been doing that for the last year or so. I also own a small business, KYGM Services LLC, and I do repair and especially translating. I specialize in translating. I speak fluent Spanish and English, of course English. So I do translating for my clients here in the area, and I do a little bit of software development on the side and electronic circuit design for that as well. So my areas of expertise, I work professionally using C#, C# framework, well, .NET framework and .NET Core specifically. We also use some Xamarin Forms, so that's what I work. That's what I do mobile with, so I'm pretty familiar with that. I do C++ for embedded design, and I also do Arduino. Arduino and C++ are very similar. It's just some functions that Arduino put on top. I do some Java, so I'm pretty good with Java. I do Flutter for mobile design. That's just for my personal projects and for what I make for clients. So Flutter uses Dart, and yeah, I do a lot of Flutter. Web design, just some Angular and HTML using Bootstrap. I used to do a lot of Node.js for my APIs, but now I'm switching over to .NET Core. I just like the strict typing. I know a lot of people like using TypeScript with Node.js, and yeah, that would suffice for a lot of my use cases. But I just prefer C#. It's what I use day in, day out. So it's what I'm going to be making my APIs with. I also do a lot of electric circuit design, I should say. So I build some radios, a lot of RF stuff, wireless communications. So that includes using lasers, using ultrasonic sensors, using IR. So it's pretty interesting. It's a very fun hobby. I have my own little lab here, so I got a power supply, an oscilloscope, a soldering station, and way too many electric components to name. I do a lot of 3D printing, so I currently have an ANET A8 3D printer, and I have a Creality Ender 3, and they get the job done. They're pretty good printers. And finally, I do a lot of small engine repair. I do that as a hobby, more as a hobby, but I used to do it as a business. It's pretty fun, and that actually brings me right into hobbies. So my hobbies are software development. It's pretty nice when you can go to your full-time job, do what you do at your job, and then come home and still enjoy doing what you do at your job at home, just doing it for your own personal projects. So of course with the Arduinos, that requires a lot of software development, but also like with my web application that I designed, and it is available at kygmservices.com if you want to visit that. So software development is one of my hobbies. Electric circuit design, like I said, I really enjoy doing stuff with Arduinos, but I'm starting to switch more over to circuits that don't use any microcontrollers, just so that I can achieve higher efficiency. I enjoy welding. I do MIG. I know how to do TIG. I don't have a TIG welder, but I'm alright with doing TIG on aluminum. And of course shielded metal arc welding. So I just do some stick welding using 6010, 6011, 6013. It's typically what I use. And when I'm going to weld any trailers or anything that's going to be where the welds are really going to be visible and they're going to be painted over, I use 7018. I also ride my motorcycle. It's a 2005 Suzuki GSX-R 600, and it's pretty fun. I really enjoy that. I work on that every once in a while, but it is a Suzuki, so it doesn't really break down much. I like fishing and boating, so I have a glass power boat. It's a really old boat. It's a glass power Seafair, I believe. It's from like the 60s or the 70s, but it's got a cabin and you can sleep in it. It's pretty fun. And I also have an Alumacraft Phantom V170 with a 90 horsepower Evinrude. That's just a two-stroke. That's what I do my fishing in. I also do a little bit of ice fishing as well. Just got a clam flip over currently. How you can reach me? Well, you can reach me at kygm.mfg@gmail.com. And if you have any video ideas, just let me know by sending me an email or leave a comment, or yeah, any method of communication really works. So thanks for watching, and that's just the basics of who I am, and I guess I should probably go over what this channel will be about. And currently it's just covering some courseware. So this is where I'm going to be uploading my videos for the college, but I may also delve into some other non-college related material, whether it's software development or electric circuit design, 3D prints. But yeah, like I said, if you have any video ideas or any things that you all would like to see, I'd be more than happy to hear you all out. I also have a GoPro, so if there's any like motorcycle riding videos that you all would like to see, or any other related items, just reach out to me and let me know. So thank you all for watching.